Are you looking for the best action camera to capture your adventures in 2025? Whether you're into extreme sports, vlogging, or just want a rugged camera for your travels, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best action cameras on Amazon to help you make the right choice. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is a top-tier action camera featuring 5.3K 60 video recording, 27MP photos, and HB series lens compatibility for enhanced image quality. It's waterproof, durable, and packed with smart features like Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. This is GoPro's most advanced camera yet, designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The crisp video quality, ultra-responsive touchscreen, and superior image stabilization make it a must-have for action lovers. Low-light performance has also improved significantly, making night shots much better. Pros: stunning 5.3K resolution with buttery smooth 60 frames per second. Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Rugged, waterproof design for all conditions. 27MP high-resolution photos. Cons: expensive compared to competitors. Battery drains quickly in high-performance modes. Number 2. Insta360 X3 360 action camera. This 5.7K 360-degree action camera offers active HDR video, a 4K single-lens mode, and AI-powered editing for effortless content creation. It's waterproof and features flow-state stabilization for silky smooth footage. The Insta360 X3 is a game-changer for those who love immersive 360-degree videos. The AI-assisted editing makes it easier to create professional-looking content without extra effort. Ideal for bikers, vloggers, and sports enthusiasts. Pros: 5.7K 360-degree recording. Flow-state stabilization eliminates shakes. AI editing tools simplify content creation. Waterproof for adventure-ready filming. Cons: complex editing workflow for beginners. Battery life could be better. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo. DJI's Osmo Action 4 offers 4K/120 FPS recording, a 1/1.3-inch sensor for stunning low-light imaging, and 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance. It boasts an impressive 160-minute battery life, making it perfect for long shooting sessions. The Osmo Action 4 is perfect for those who want cinematic color grading, ultra-smooth stabilization, and long battery life. Whether you're skiing, biking, or filming a travel vlog, this camera delivers high-quality footage effortlessly. Pros: 4K at 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. Larger sensor for superior low-light shots. 160-minute battery life beats most competitors. 10-bit color for pro-level editing. Cons: slightly bulkier than some other models. Number 3. 60-degree recording. Number 4. AKASO Brave 7 LE. The AKASO Brave 7 LE is an affordable 4K 30fps action camera with a 20MP sensor, EIS 2.0 stabilization, a touchscreen, and a remote control. It's also waterproof up to 131 feet, making it a great budget-friendly underwater camera. For a budget action camera, the AKASO Brave 7 LE punches above its weight. It offers solid video quality, excellent stabilization, and a dual-screen setup for vlogging. However, it lacks high-end features like 4K at 60 frames per second or professional-grade color grading. Pros: affordable with great features. Waterproof up to 131 feet. IS 2.0 for stable footage. Dual-screen design for vlogging. Cons: only 4K 30fps, no 60 frames per second or higher. Lacks advanced color profiles for professionals. Number 5. AKASO EK7000 4K action camera. Finally, the AKASO EK7000 is the most budget-friendly action camera on our list. 4K at 30 frames per second, 20MP photos, and built-in Wi-Fi make it a great entry-level option for casual adventure seekers. Pros: extremely affordable. Comes with a waterproof case up to 98 feet. Decent battery life. Cons: no built-in stabilization. Lacks advanced features of premium models. So, which action camera is right for you? If you want the best of the best, go for the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Need 360-degree immersive content? The Insta360 X3 is unbeatable. Looking for cinematic video quality and long battery life? The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a powerhouse. For budget-conscious buyers, the AKASO Brave 7 LE and GoPro Hero offer excellent value. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.